back to my channel. We're gonna do a Dairy Queen Blizzard.
You look like really dumb.
There's people in there. Video for y'all today. So we can try this ice cream. I got, what did I get?
How are you, ma'am?
Good, how are you? You good?
This is not
Thank
small.
you. Yes it is, this is a small. Can I have another spoon? I think we only got one spoon.
No, we got 2.
Oh, you got 2? Oh, nope, I'm sorry. Got 2 of them. Thank you, ma'am.
This is
Small. These are the smalls.
this is the same size we got as a mini.
I
Big
don't know, Kelsey. Let's see. Yep, 2 small royal cheesecake blizzards and 1 small chocolate dip cone. Open it.
This is what I
Get your stuff.
Y'all, this is so good.
Get your stuff.
I'm so excited. Look at this bad boy.
Ooh.
Look at that.
guys, it's so good.
It's gonna spill. You're an
Oh, hey, what? They said it wouldn't spill. Don't the commercial say it won't spill?
Yeah, but this has like
Uh-oh.
watery stuff in it.
They told a lie. Mine just spilled. Oh my god. Sticky. I thought blizzards was supposed to be.
You have the royal stuff in it though.
I
That's the good
know,
stuff.
but they're supposed to be so hard you can
I
flip them
got so
upside
many
down.
napkins.
Oh, it's in my. Already making messes. Y'all, this looks so good. Let's take a bite. Yep. Ooh, that was cold. Woo. I definitely got sensitive teeth. That stuff's getting everywhere. Like, they didn't mix it up or nothing. Is yours good? She got the exact same thing. So unfortunately we don't have like different ones to show y'all, but mix it up, it looks so good.
Hey guys, this video,
We literally waited in the line for like 25 minutes just to get ice cream today.
yeah.
Every weekend this Dairy Queen is like 20 cars, no joke, in the freaking line because it's not open because of COVID, so you can only go through the drive-through. It's ridiculous. It's like, go ahead and open stuff back up, people. Like, let's get to it. What do you think? Yours good? Yours good? Show them yours, Kaylee. Show them that chocolate vanilla cone. Chocolate dip cone. That looks good. See, you didn't want all the napkins, and they give them to you for a reason. We've just been kind of lounging around today, taking it easy. I did a little bit of laundry and loaded the
And guys,
dishwasher, swept the floor.
We do
Nothing
not have,
fun.
We do not. No, we do not have a big house.
Who cares?
Well, they was jealous.
Okay, baby. All right, hush.
They have to know.
We're excited about Halloween, aren't we?
Hey guys,
I've been hearing though
that's
at
gonna be a
work that
rainbow.
nobody's gonna do it. So I hope that people do decide to participate. Because it wouldn't be the same if nobody did anything. I gotta go to the grocery store after this. I'm going to Walmart. I always go to the grocery store at Walmart. No.
And
Kaylee.
no, she
This is so good.
She's gonna die, Raiders.
This is the real deal right here. This is what you get when you're trying to
And
share
it's
your
so
ice cream
nice.
with the world. Oh God, my allergies, y'all.
Oh my God, Mom. Mom.
Well, eat it. Here, you're gonna have to lick that cone way faster than you are, because that thing melts really quick in a cone.
I need some out.
I love mixing it up, getting it all mixed together. Those strawberries around. I want a big old chunk of cheesecake. Did you get any chunks of cheesecake?
Which one is?
Huh?
Oh, this is cheesecake.
That ain't that much. When you go to Cookout, though, I feel like when you get the cheesecake milkshakes over there, sometimes you get big old chunks. One time you got a whole freaking, like, half a piece of cheesecake in the bottom of her milkshake. It was good. So apparently Papa John's came out with some jack-o'-lantern pizza. I'd like to see that. A jack-o'-lantern pizza. Lordy. So pretty out. All the trees are turning. It's beautiful here in North Carolina. Weather's nice. It's just right. Not too hot, not cold.
I was burning up all day.
It was burning up all day. That's because you've been flipping and cartwheeling and riding your bike, and of course you can get hot.
It's wet.
Well, yeah, if you're up doing all that, you're gonna get hot.
No. I was sweating all day.
Look at that.
Yesterday.
That was a big old cheesecake. Yum. I like to take it slow when I eat my ice cream and actually enjoy the flavor and the taste of it. And Kelsey's over here like, let me get done as quick as I can. It's ridiculous.
Because it's good. You're not supposed to let it sit there.
Yeah, but you ain't got to eat so fast.
Yeah, dude.
A big old chunk of strawberry. Oh yeah. Look at this. A big old chunk of strawberry. What? That was so good.
What's up?
How's your ice cream coming along? Pretty good? Looks good. You're getting it on the door and everything. You're going to have to take that cone and lick all the way around it real good. It's the only thing I don't like about cones. They're just so messy. It's almost like you need a little cup to put it in. She's got it, Kelsey.
You're at the mouse. I suck. What was that? Do it again. What was it? Don't do it on my nose.
What is that? figured I'd go ahead and get my grocery shopping done today, get that knocked out the way. I'll have to do it tomorrow. I normally do it on Sundays. Last weekend I did it on Friday. That was nice. Get it over with. Not have to worry about it all weekend. But I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow. Looks like Papa's old truck. Remember he used to say, I ain't never getting rid of my truck. Oh no, I ain't never getting rid of my truck. And then he goes and gets a new truck, what, about a year ago?
Hey guys. No, let me.
Bruh.
There's a lot of people out and about today. I guess because it's the weekend.
That feels good. I'm in the park.
Me.
We're going to the grocery store.
I'm going to Nana. I want to go to that thing tomorrow.
Hey guys.
What thing?
This open house for the new kids. They're opening tomorrow.
Mom, I need a
There
napkin.
ain't no point to go, Kelsey, because I don't get off work in time.
I know, I just wanted to go. I'm too fun. You ate the paper. You ate the paper. That's disgusting.
What are you doing, Kaylee? Let me see it.
I need a napkin.
Honey, you're running out of napkins. You're using them all. Like, you've got to learn to eat it quick enough, take that one off, and then wipe your fingers with it.
I want some.
No, honey, I'm going to eat mine like you ate yours.
Ugh.
Are you playing Among Us? Are you playing the imposter game?
So many people out Among Us right now. People keep hacking other people on Among Us. So they had to make a whole
So good.
service announcement.
I need a napkin.
Kaylee, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. You've used them all. Here, use one at a time. One at a time. Don't scrunch them up together because then you're going to need another one and I ain't got no more.
Hey guys. I got a phone.
A lot of kids your age do. She's 7. Big old 7-year-old.
And I haven't lost no teeth.
Hasn't ever lost any teeth yet. But it's coming. I know it's about that time for her to start losing her teeth. Some people lose them early and some people don't. And that's okay. Look, y'all. It looks like my car, but really, really clean. Look at it. Mine is not clean.
Let's go to a car wash today.
I need a car wash so bad. So bad. They was having that truck show today. At the drag strip.
I want to go.
We've already done it.
So, where did we go?
I don't know. Baby had other plans.
I got a video of Trump. I got a video
Okay, baby.
on TikTok of Trump dancing.
Mm-hmm.
I'll show you when we get home. I really do.
I believe you. I've seen that one. Alright guys, well this video is getting pretty long. I guess we'll let y'all go. Thanks for hanging out with us. I've still got about less than half to go. I eat really slow. Let me know if you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and we'll do more of these. Y'all have a good weekend. Can you hit that for me, babe?